Unlock endless entertainment with the Diggz Wizard repo for Kodi 21.1. Easy installation means you'll dive into a treasure trove of add-ons in minutes. Stream movies, shows, and live TV effortlessly. Don't miss out. Transform your viewing experience today. Join the millions enjoying seamless streaming with Diggz Wizard. Let's get started. First, open a fresh version of Kodi 21.1. Now, let's scroll to the setting icon, click and scroll to System, then down to Add-ons, then turn on Unknown Sources. A pop-up will appear. Click Yes. Now return to Setting. Scroll to File Manager. Click on Add Source. It's time to add the URL file you need to add Diggz Wizard. Click on None. Now type http://diggzxenon.me diggzarepo or https://tinyurl.com diggz123. Sometime, one URL works better than the other. Select OK. Tap down, then select. Enter a name for this media source. Enter Diggz or any other name you'd prefer to use instead to identify this media source. Then, select OK. Diggz Xenon repo address. Press the back button on your remote several times until you are back at the System menu. Select Add-ons, select Install from zip file, then select Yes if you get a warning message on the screen. Tap down, then select Diggz or any other name you use to identify this media source. Then select Repository Diggz. Select OK. Wait until a confirmation message appears in the top right corner of the screen that the installation is complete. The Diggz repository has been successfully installed. Make sure that you are in the Add-ons menu. Then select Install from Repository. Select Diggz Repository. Then select Program Add-ons. Select Chef Omega Wizard. Then select Install. Select OK. You'll see a confirmation message in the screen's top right corner that the Chef Omega Wizard is installed. Wait a few seconds, and an info box will automatically appear on the screen. Select Close. You'll then see a message, "There is currently no build installed. Would you like to install one now?" Select Yes. Rest assured, even if you don't see the pop-up, the process is straightforward. Just follow these steps and proceed with the tutorial. Return to the Kodi home screen, then tap down the menu on the left to highlight Add-ons. Tap across to the right, then select Chef Omega Wizard. Select Build menu. You will see two separate versions of Diggz AIO builds. Diggz AIO Debrid version and Diggz AIO Free Plus Burst version. Select either the Debrid version or the free version based on your preference. You must have a real Debrid account to use the Debrid version, so only choose this option if you already have one or intend to get real Debrid. In this example, we will continue by selecting the Diggz AIO Debrid version. Select Continue. Then, wait for the Chef Omega Wizard to download and install, depending on your internet speed and device specs. This could take some time. If you are using a Fire Stick, your screensaver may turn on during the process. If it does, simply select the back button on your remote to return to Kodi. When the installation is complete, a prompt will appear on the screen to force close Kodi to save the changes. Select OK. Relaunch Kodi, and you'll notice that its appearance has changed to display the Diggz Setup Wizard. Now you're ready to sit back and watch your favorite movies and TV shows. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.